Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to freeze a column on your Google Sheet. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly and straight to the point on the video. So how to freeze a column on your Google Sheet. So it's so useful. So because if you are just moving here, this is an important of heading about the numberings here. Okay, if we just moving here, you can see the heading is gone. So this may be a misleading of content. So you just need to freeze the first column here. So to freeze the first column, you just need to click on the column first and column. Okay, just go to the view section on the top. Now click on this freeze option. You will see an option here, no column, one column, or second column, or up to column A, like that. You just need to freeze the first column. Just click on this first column. So now you can see a line between this which actually freeze the column. You can just move here. You can see the column is still here. So you can see Sony 12, Apple 5, that like that. You can just see the data directly. And if you just need to freeze the up to B column or C column, you just need to click on the column. That's it. After clicking, for an example, I just need to freeze up to D column. Just click on this and go to view section, go to the freeze option. You can see an option here up to column D. And if you just need to at least up to the C column, just click on this anywhere on the C column, go to the view section, click on the freeze option and click on this up to C. Now the up to the C column has been freezed. So this is how it's work. This is how you just freeze the column on your Google Sheet. This is simple and straight video, straight to the point video. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.